Hey, it's Dr. Ray back in the garden, and I just have so many cool things to show you. It's getting on in June right now, and it's hot here for sure, but cooling off in the evening, and it's quite lovely right now. Of course, Agapanthus, I mean, it's not for everybody. You know, northern states, Canada, we can't make this perennial, but in many of the areas where it is perennial, boy, such improvements have been seen. This is the Agapanthus that I'm really impressed with from Southern Living. Their white form, a ton of flowers, and it goes so well in the garden when you start looking at what else is in there. These lilies are about to pop, and I'm going to show you some lilies soon, but just look over here. This phlox is just about finished, but oh my, this is Delta snow. And you know, these whites with a little touch of pink go so well together. So anyway, Agapanthus, I have a blue one as well. I just don't have it in my rangefinder right now, but goodness gracious, isn't this gardening fun? So, welcome everybody. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia. Let's have fun, and of course, let's stay dirty. All the best. Until then.